Hi, I'm Charlene Allen, and I'm at Southern Sam's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some no-bake oatmeal cookies. Let's get started. Let's go over the ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 stick of butter, 2 cups of oatmeal, 5 teaspoons of Hershey cocoa, 1 cup of milk, and 2 cups of sugar. Okay, we're going to put our 2 cups of sugar in, our 5 teaspoons of Hershey cocoa, our stick of butter, cup of milk. You blend this. You want to stir this until it comes to a rolling boil. Make sure you stir because it will stick. Once it starts to boil, start a 5-minute timer right here. Now with regular butter, kind of let it continue cooking. With unsalted butter, you have to continuously stir. But I'm using regular butter. Once the timer is up, you move it from the heat. You stir in your oatmeal and your cup of peanut butter. Okay. We want to get all of that. You mix it for about a minute. Once it gets thick, it's ready. You spoon them out. Now after you pour them into your pan, you have to wait about 15 minutes to let them sit, and after that, you're ready to enjoy a cookie. Here is how our oatmeal cookies turned out. They are delicious. If you try this recipe, leave us a comment down below. Goodbye everyone, and thank you so much for watching our video.